Today we're doing a video about tips, tricks, hacks, techniques about how to keep that foundation on your nose, how to keep it from sliding off, getting cakey, and all that drama that we have to go through with our nose. So if you want to find out these tips and tricks and also this secret hack, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well, and for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy. Welcome to the video. Alright guys, so today, this has been one of my biggest problems while this whole process of makeup since high school, me being so obsessed with getting everything perfect, wanting to get my techniques just in line for everything to go together. If it's got anything to do with makeup, you best believe I am bound and determined to find every single simple way to just, well, basically simplify the whole process of makeup. So these are the tricks that I've learned. Now, I know a lot of people, I know a lot of oily skinned people that their makeup just keeps sliding off of their nose or it ends up getting cakey. When I first started makeup, the foundation was off my nose within an hour. So I have put these tips and tricks together in this one hack. I am going to show you a tutorial of the tricks that I have learned to do. Now, it's not going to make it stay on there all day long. Now, I'm going to tell you, I have wore this up to about a 6-hour mark without having any problems. Besides the obvious, you know, you get a little bit oily through your T-zone during the day. So, of course, that's always going to happen, but the foundation is still on the nose. And also, I do need to mention that I have combo skin. And this trick is just perfect for oily skin types. So I think this is absolutely perfect. And also, all those other people that have dry skin but seem to get oily in the T-zone, which is basically me, but I do get oily in that T-zone. And it is such a huge problem keeping my foundation on my nose. So I have just gathered these little tips, and they seem to help my foundation stay on my nose. Now, like I said, it's not going to get you through like 12 hours, 24 hours, none of that crazy nonsense. So guys, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Alright guys, now here is the hack. Either you are going to need a cream concealer or a really thick concealer, or my favorite, which I'm out of at the moment, is an eyelid primer. This is what you are going to use on your nose. And, you know, go ahead and do your lotion and everything before that. And put one of those three onto your nose, and it should stick. Now, when you're doing your foundation, make sure that you do not put straight foundation straight to the nose. And when you do put it on your face, whenever you get it all blended into the rest of your face, do not do your nose. Don't touch your nose with it until after you blend it into your face. And then whatever is left over on the brush, that's what you want to dab onto the top of the concealer or whatever it is that you've got on top of your nose. And remember, like I said, whatever is left over on the brush, that's what you just dab onto your nose. And then, of course, I blend all my foundation in with a beauty blender or a sponge or whatever. And then dust a little bit of translucent powder over top of that. And that should make it stick for however long you need it to. I would think up to about 6 hours, as long as I've wore it. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing these tips and that hack. And hopefully you will try it out and it will work out for you too. It has been working for me for so many years. So I just wanted to get on here and show you what I've done, because I had such a big problem with it. And one of my biggest things is trying to teach beginners how to do their makeup without going through this long, overdrawn process about the right way to do stuff. So I'm always testing out new ways to do stuff. And when I finally find one that works the way I want it to, and this secret I am letting y'all in on, because it's been working for me, and hopefully it will work on some of y'all. So if you enjoyed this video and you like seeing this hack, or hell, you even like me in general, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, become part of my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys all so much, and I will see you next video. Bye.